Right guys, welcome back to the channel again today. Today's video is a continuation of Chris's gearbox where we have to remove the turbo. Yeah, we managed to get hold of Chris. He responded straight away with us, basically helping us out with it. Today's video we're going to be getting it all off and that. I'll go for that in a minute, but I'll put up here as well all Chris's social media links and that, how to get hold of him and that, and what stuff he does for the turbos. Absolutely great guy, can't fault him. He's literally been a diamond with it. He's going to have a look and see if he can get us back on the road. Still got the top half to do, not really fussed about that at the moment, but yeah, that's got to be done in the next couple of days. The main objective of the video is we're going to get the turbo removed, get it packed up and get it back to Chris, basically. Yeah, so once we've received it back, it's going to be all in the same video, by the way. So we're going to get the turbo back, get it all fitted, and then go for a little POV drive with Chris, who owns the car. So yeah, there's going to be a little talking and that, but I'm going to put it on time lapse in a minute. Get the turbo off, and then I'll be right back with you with boxing it up and getting it sent off to Chris. Now turbo's all off. I'll just show you quickly. Right, as you can see there, turbo's all gone. Put a little rag in there, just stop anything falling in there. Turbo's in there, all boxed up, ready to go. So the next protocol is I've got to get in contact with Chris, who owns the car, get him to get the courier to come pick up the turbo, get it shipped out to Chris at KRS, and he's going to work his magic. The next bit is going to be us receiving the turbo and getting it all fitted and the first run, basically. So we'll I did say before we'll be doing a little POV drive. So Chris will be piloting it. So yeah, we'll be the next one will be us getting the turbo back. So catch you very soon, guys. Welcome back. Right, we have the turbo back from Chris. There it is, nice shiny. New turbo, no more play in the turbo, everything's all good, hunky-dory. I did say earlier on in the video, basically, I was going to let people know what actually happened, why the turbo went like that, and what was the problem and what the cause was. It is a fault from the previous owner who owned the car before Chris did, who owns the car. Yeah, left us with a little surprise which burnt the turbo out. I spoke to Chris at KRS. Basically he said that the turbo had been starved of oil. Most of you would probably clock on exactly what's happened, but the typical thing, this is the original banjo bolt for the return, for the feed, sorry, which is a restrictor on an LEH engine. Yeah, you only put those on when you're doing the LET pump conversion with the LEH pump, yeah, because the LEH has the oil squirters underneath. On the LET they don't. So when you're swapping the pumps out, you need to do the restrictor bolt. That is the original bolt, what should be in the turbo on the LEH and the LEH pump. That is what was supplied. So basically it was starving the turbo of oil. Yeah, so that was the problem, why the turbo went like that. It could have caused other problems. I didn't actually strip the turbo down when I first done the build, when I stripped it down. I just expected, which I shouldn't have expected, someone to know what they're doing. But that is the cause of why it has happened. So that is a big no-no. and that is the original. So we're going to get this fitted up. with the feed pipe here, get it fitted to the nice new turbo over here, and then get it all started up and hopefully get Chris around to come and take it for a test drive. But yeah guys, like I say, I hate saying things like that, but I've seen so many mistakes on cars and that, it just infuriates me. But yeah, so right guys, we're going to crack on, get the turbo on, get it all bolted up, and then go for a final drive. We've moved on since the last bit you just see just a minute ago. All the turbos on. Chris is here as well.
Hey, what's happening, guys?
Right, now everything's all done, battery's all on. We've gave it an oil change as well, done all the Miller's, new oil filter and that. Now we've disconnected the spark, so the lovely Chris, he's going to jump in now and quickly give it a couple of turnovers, build up oil pressure.
Let's go. Right, you just want to say when, yeah?
Yeah, but that's all right. Right, go on then, Chris.
All right.
Yeah, make sure it ain't in gear.
No.
Right, okay. Right, give it a second. Right, go on and do it again. Right, okay. Right, now are you ready, Chris?
Yeah. The oil is flashing. I mean, not the oil. The fuel is flashing.
Oh, the fuel light, yeah?
Yeah, big time.
Okay. Right, fingers go. Go on then. Hiya. Right, turn it off.
That sounds beautiful.
It does, doesn't it?
That sounds really nice. Yeah, that sounds good, man.
Right, give us a second, guys. We're going to take it off of the ramp because it's all on the ramp. And then we're going to go for a nice little drive in it. So, right, stay with us, guys. We'll be back soon. Now we're out in Chris's car. We're just going to do a little pod drive, do a little drive around and that. But, yeah.
I'm trying not to smile.
But yeah.
Anyway, before anything else, I'd like to at least say thank you very much to Chris from KRS Turbos.
Yeah, that is definitely going to be the #1. Big shout out to Chris, KRS Turbos. Yeah, done an absolutely outstanding job and pinpointed the actual problem, because to be honest with you, at the time I didn't realise or look at it or anything, so it was only until he says it got a restrictor or something that we looked into it, and yeah, lo and behold, it did. So right, well, let's get out and burn some rubber.
Yeah.
No, we're going to take it easy. I've told Chris he's going to bed it in a little bit, and
yeah, just drive nicely. Give it a few, maybe 100 miles even.
yeah, not 100 miles now, 100 miles.
No, just 100 miles until maybe the turbo's all sort of just warmed up and done its thing.
Yeah. So right, further ado, guys. Right, let's go.
All right.
Let's go. Seat belts, guys. Safety first. I hate wearing seat belts.
Well, we know the radiator fan works.
Yeah. All right. There you go.
One thing I can say is that I've not stalled the car on the new clutch, so there's that.
Yeah,
that's a good sign.
Start. Sounds nice, doesn't it?
Man. I've really missed that sound though. I have. Yeah. It's been a good few months.
Yeah, as you can see, guys, around here is absolutely mayhem with speed humps, 20 mile an hour.
Oh, I miss that sound so much.
I know, innit? I know. Yeah, do a left. Yeah.
Whew, that clutch is very nice.
Yeah, we'll do a little second gear pull from here.
Strong, mate.
Look at the smile on that guy's face. Yeah. But yeah, guys.
I'm gonna have loads of fun with this.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I know, she's pulling sweetly again.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I definitely missed that. From the last time we had nothing, no boost.
Yeah.
Oh, now she's pulling beautifully
What's
again.
the third gear like, Paul?
Jeez, like.
that is still Paul's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
Not even really putting my foot like down, man.
No. Yeah.
I'm gonna be smiling for the next couple of days. It's gonna be hard to sleep tonight.
Yeah, I bet it is, isn't it?
Yeah, all the nerves are still gonna be there. Yeah, no, thanks for doing all of that work, man.
No,
I really do appreciate that. That's running perfect again.
It is, isn't it?
Oh, I'm so happy, man.
Yeah.
I'm so happy about that. Oh, yes. Yes.
Innit? Well, I think we'll cut the video here, innit, really?
Yeah, that's perfect, man. Yeah, no, she's running sweetly. Clutch is nice. The gearbox is actually nice as well.
It is, isn't
yeah,
it?
the gearbox is well nice. Nice to have a, what is it, third gear?
Yeah, third gear,
Nice to have a third gear again. But yeah, man, massive shout out to you, Vinny, bro.
Nah, cool,
If you
man.
guys are not following the channel, please give us a follow.
Yeah,
share.
man.
Yeah,
Like and
definitely
subscribe
see you guys on the next one.
Yeah. Alright guys, listen, we're going to leave it here. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I'll try and leave all the links for everybody who's involved, like KRS and all that lot, all his socials and that. But yeah guys, once again, thanks for watching. Like I say guys, catch you on the next one. See you all soon. Cheers.